Reshaping India's political map. Nations have no permanent friends or allies. They only have permanent interests. This is Lord Palmerston. Number one, the nations have no permanent friends. कोई भी राष्ट्र किसी का परमानेंट मित्र नहीं है और एलाई, ठीक है, और न कोई उसका दुश्मन है. दे ओनली हैव परमानेंट इंटरेस्ट. केवल अपने अपने स्वार्थ के लिए कोई किसी का दोस्त है, कोई किसी का एलाई है. Invasion and the reshaping of Indian political boundaries, 13th century to 17th century. Another is after major dynastic and their military strategy in medieval India. Third, resistance by kingdoms and committees against conquest. Fourth, economic growth and cultural development during political instability and administrative systems and reforms of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal empires. Now let us begin. How do you think the culture, language and traditions of a region are affected when new rulers or invaders take over? How do monuments or buildings affect blending of cultures? Can you think monuments in India that shows cultural blending? Next, what do you think they can teach us about past? Understand the term medieval history. The term medieval meaning between two ages. Medieval means between two ages, was originally used to describe European history, spanning from the fall of the Roman Empire in the 15th century CE to Renaissance from 14th to 16th century. During this period, means during the period of 14th to 17th century, Europe experienced a cultural revival fueled by the rediscovery of Greek and Roman art and literature, often as the Renaissance, and underdeveloped age proceedings. The medieval era was considered as a dark age. Seen as an underdeveloped age proceedings to the era of modern age. रेनिसेंस जो है, जैसे तुमको कहा कहेंगे कि इस कैंपस का रेनिसेंस करके आओ, तो यू विल गो अराउंड दिस कॉलोनी एंड यू डिटेक्ट वेयर इज इट्स ऑफिस. इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो भी होगा उसको तुम इंडिकेट करना जो है रेनिसेंस कहलाता है, रेनिसेंस सर्वे, जिससे कि तुम पहचान सको किधर पॉन्ड है, किधर चौक है, किधर जो है बाउंड्रीज है. ठीक है, तो इन सारी चीज़ों को रेनिसेंस करते हैं. बट इन डार्क एज जो है इन हिस्ट्री में है कि ये कहता है कि कल्चरल रिवाइवल फ्यूल्ड बाय द रीडिस्कवरी ऑफ ग्रीक एंड रोमन आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर ऑफन एज इट्स रेनिसेंस एज अंडर डेवलप्ड एज to the era of modern age. Since medieval age is considered as a dark age. Thank you very much for your interest in history.